there, you guys. Thank you guys for tuning into the channel today. So today, you guys, we have such great opportunity. This opportunity is coming from Allstate. I told you guys I had a bonus job for you guys from Allstate, and I mean it, you guys. So Allstate is paying for this job $125,000, you guys, and it's fully remote. No degree required on this job. And I know a lot of you guys are like, Sam, we don't qualify. Yes, you do, okay? Because Sam don't do any little jobs, okay? And the reason why I don't do any little jobs and why I'm bringing you bigger jobs, you guys, is because I definitely 100% want you guys to change your life. This is why I do these videos, okay, you guys? So we are going to get right into this video right now. Before we do, you guys, like I said, I want you to change your life. It starts with that resume. I want you to change your professional career. It starts with the resume. I want you to rename, rebrand. I want you in these jobs. But to get in these jobs, you definitely need a new resume, you guys. That is why I created my virtual resume rewrite session, you guys. I created the virtual resume rewrite session because I want you guys to be able to land these jobs. This is the whole importance of these videos, is to land these jobs. You are going to need a professional resume, you guys. So in my virtual resume kit, it is a no work, no think virtual resume rewrite. It is exactly what it is. What I want you guys to do is get the virtual resume rewrite session, cut, copy, and paste from all of the information that I give you guys. All of the information that I give you guys, cut, copy, paste. Get yourself a professional resume in 10 to 15 minutes. So many of my clients have used it and have already landed the jobs of their dreams. And like I said, my virtual resume rewrite session is pay in for, you guys. It is hyper effective, okay? So you are going to rename, because it has the titles in there, it has your professional bio, and then it has all of your skills and experience already pre-written for you. I'm telling you exactly what you need to tell the hiring manager or the recruiter, you guys. So y'all better jump on this, okay? So let's go to my shout outs of the day. And these shout outs of the day, these are so transformative, you guys. They used the virtual resume rewrite session, y'all, and they landed that job, okay? So we got Miss Cynthia. Okay, Miss Cynthia used to be a bailiff, you guys. She used to be a bailiff. She said, I kid you not, she emailed me and she said, I hate this job. I hate this job because, one, I got to wrestle with the inmates. I got to wrestle with my coworkers. She like, Sam, I need a remote job. And remote job she got. She literally now works for one of the Fortune 500 companies, you guys. She is a project manager. She's a project manager, you guys. And it only took her 2 weeks using the virtual resume rewrite session to land her job. Cynthia, I'm so proud of you. We got Gerald. Gerald is a project manager, you guys. He makes $174,000 now. I am so proud of Gerald, you guys. And he used to work in the automotive industry as well, you guys. He is not working in that automotive industry. He said he's tired of working with his hands. He saw the video and he said he was a little skeptical about getting a virtual resume rewrite session. Baby, he landed the job. He got the job, you guys. Then we got Miss Kimberly. Miss Kimberly, y'all, she used to be a hotel manager. She used to be a hotel manager. She hated the hours. She hated working with the tenants that were staying at the hotel. She said she hated the job, just hated it. You guys, she now has a job as a project manager sitting at home, and now she makes $169,000. Say it with me, $169,000 using the virtual resume rewrite session and rewriting her skills and experience. You guys, Go get that virtual resume rewrite session. Literally, I am telling you what you need to put. I have already pre-written what you need to put on your resume so that you can land the job, okay? So let's get into the inspiration of the day. The inspiration of the day is you are bigger, you are better than your circumstances. Whatever you're going through today, this Monday, you are going to be able to overcome your circumstances. That is the inspiration of the day. Oh, yeah, and in the comment section, what I want you to write is I will overcome, okay? So while you are on your journey, I want you to keep going, keep your head up, and I want you to rely on God, okay? I want you to rely on God. When I tell you that I see the best in each and every one of my clients, I absolutely mean it, okay? So let's get into this job today, because when I tell you this job is absolutely amazing, I absolutely mean it. So let's get into this job right now, you guys. Let's go. Okay, you guys. So Allstate. Allstate, this job is literally, when I tell you this job is the bomb. They are hiring for a business product, business project manager, lead consulting, you guys. So this is project management. You guys go get that virtual resume rewrite session and rewrite yourself as a project manager or a program manager. Those are two areas where those are two areas that are highly transferable, you guys. Highly transferable. All you have to do is get the virtual resume rewrite session, cut, copy, and paste, and baby, now you are a program manager, well, project manager, and you are able to apply and land this job. Rewrite yourself, okay? And in the virtual resume rewrite session, it's a no thank, no work resume kit. All you're going to do is literally copy and paste, copy and paste, copy, cut, paste, tweak it a little bit, and apply for this job, you guys, because this job is so good. We're gonna read into this job. This job is extremely easy. So let's get right into this job. Okay, you guys. And this job was posted. This job opened up August the 23rd. So that was like 5 days ago, okay? This job is still up there. This job is, I'm going to say it again, this job is still up there. You guys, get your resume together. Get that virtual resume rewrite session and apply for this job today, because once you do, you're going to have a professional resume to submit, you guys. Professional resume to submit. So let's get right into this job right now. Let's go, you guys. All right, so you guys, you can read the job description. I'm going to read the job summary. We're going to get right into this. It says the enterprise slash program management lead consultant is accountable for independently leading all aspects of multiple complex programs or projects with a high level of risk, organizational span, business complexity, team size, and interdependencies. Projects may be across multiple functional areas and are of strategic importance to the organization. So basically, you are going to be leading multiple projects within the organization. Cut and simple, okay? You guys can do this. The only thing that you guys need is a professional resume. Go get that virtual resume rewrite session. Save yourself the time, save yourself the pain of having to go through writing your own resume. I have pre-written it for you. It comes with your pre-written skills, experience, bio, and titles, okay? Let's make this short, simple, and easy, you guys. That's what we want to do. So let's go to the key responsibilities. It says key responsibilities: manages high complex projects independently with no support or direction from others, directs strategic projects slash programs of high complexities, drives project execution, provides direction and oversight throughout the project lifecycle, drives achievement of projects slash programs, delivers project results through leadership and influence rather than authority and control, delivers project communication on complicated projects, motivates others to share in project challenges, and inspires them to achieve project goals while constructively evaluating their performance, customizes solution for complex issues typically involving enterprise level consideration, represents the projects slash programs and its objectives in all governance and gating forums, engages appropriate stakeholders in risk identification and mitigation. You guys, all of those skills, everything, I want you to look at their key responsibilities. Everything that is in their key responsibilities is included within the virtual resume rewrite session. So when I tell you, all you have to do is copy, all you have to do is copy and paste from the virtual resume rewrite session. It's super simple, super easy, and you don't have to go through the hassle of writing your own resume. It is already pre-written for you. So you're gonna look under the skills that's in the virtual resume rewrite session, and that experience is going to be under there. This is everything that you're going to tell Allstate that you have already did. When I tell you, most companies are no longer hiring if you have a bachelor's degree. What they're hiring for is experience and can you do the job. I know that you can do the job, okay, you guys? They even have on-the-job training. Go get that virtual resume rewrite session so that you have a professional resume and so that you can be included so that you can be included in getting this job, so that you can land this job. Please go get the virtual resume rewrite session, okay? Make your life easier, okay? All you do is cut, copy, and paste, and we're ready to go. All right, so let's get down to the education and experience. Let's get down to that right now. All right, so for the education and experience, it says 5 or more years of experience. So they are asking for years of experience, you guys. That's what I'm saying. Use the virtual resume rewrite session even if you have never done any project management. Use the virtual resume rewrite session so that you can say that you have the experience. When I tell you the experience is required, with the virtual resume rewrite session, you will look like you have that 5 years already. Literally, if you put it in the bio that you have 10 years of experience, you will look like you got the 10 years of experience. So get that. Knowledge in the commercial insurance industry and a 4 years bachelor's degree. It is preferred but not required. What is required is the 5 or more years of experience and the knowledge in commercial insurance industry, okay? And y'all can Google commercial insurance industry and what they'll do, okay? So when I tell you, go get the virtual resume rewrite session. Rewrite the experience that you had at your previous jobs. Literally cut, copy, paste, and you're ready to go. You'll have a professional resume right then and there. Okay, let's get down to the functional skills. Okay, it says functional skills, demonstrated track record in delivering multiple complex projects and or programs, as well as managing mentoring of project managers with a strong focus on execution. You guys, all of that is already written for you. All of your skills, all of these skills are already written for you in the virtual rewrite session. Make it easy on yourself. Go out, cut, copy, and paste, you guys. Okay? It says excellent written verbal communication, demonstrated expert skills in team leadership and conflict management, strong people oversight and mentoring skills, strong consultative customer focused skills, advanced knowledge of Microsoft. Y'all know how to do Microsoft. Stop it, okay? PowerPoint, project, SharePoint, y'all know how to do that. Knowledge of Shabayum, advanced organization skills, familiarity with a variety of the field's concept, practices, and procedures, and then change, agility, influence, okay? So what they are saying is that you need experience as a project manager. All of those skills are included within the virtual resume rewrite session. Make this super easy on yourself. Make this easy on yourself and go out, get that. Well, not even go out. The link is below, okay? The link is below. And when I tell you pay me later, okay? Do the pay in four option is literally $25 every 2 weeks. $25. Y'all spending more than that on coffee and all that other stuff. You guys go get that virtual resume rewrite session and get to work on this resume. This job is too simple, too easy for you guys not to land this job, okay? And I know that you can. So let's get down. Now we're going to get down to the salary so you guys can see it. Let's go. All right, so now we're at salaries, you guys. So this position starts off at $95,000. Okay, it starts off at 95. It goes all the way up, you guys, to 125 based upon your skills and experience. That's why I told you it is imperative. It is so important that you guys rewrite your skills, rewrite your experience so that you are able to get the 125, because the more skills, the more experience you have, or the more experience that it looks like on your resume, they're going to pay you, okay? They're going to pay you top dollar. You guys go out, go get that virtual resume rewrite session and get to work. Get to work, you guys. You guys have a wonderful, blessed, amazing Monday, okay? We are going to turn this Monday into a productive Monday, okay? You guys go fill out for this job, because when I tell you Sam wants you to get this job, I absolutely mean it. Go get this job. Go do what you need to do today, okay? You guys have such a blessed, wonderful, amazing day. Go get that virtual resume rewrite session and get to work. The link is below in the bio. I will see you in the next video tomorrow, you guys, and have a great day. Bye.